When it comes to architectural designers in Bhopal, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd stands out as a leading firm in the industry. With their expertise and experience, they have successfully completed numerous projects and have earned a reputation for delivering high-quality designs. The team at Scon Design India Pvt Ltd comprises skilled and talented architects who are dedicated to creating innovative and functional designs that meet the needs and preferences of their clients. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd understands the importance of staying updated with the latest trends and technologies in the architectural field. They continuously strive to incorporate new design concepts and techniques into their projects, ensuring that their clients receive designs that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also sustainable and efficient. One of the key strengths of Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is their ability to seamlessly blend creativity with functionality. They take into consideration various factors such as the site location, climate, and client requirements to design spaces that are not only visually appealing but also practical and functional. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is known for their professionalism and commitment to client satisfaction. They understand the importance of effective communication and collaboration throughout the design process. They work closely with their clients to understand their vision and requirements, ensuring that the final design reflects their unique taste and style. In conclusion, if you are looking for architectural designers in Bhopal, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a top choice. With their expertise, innovation, and commitment to client satisfaction, they have established themselves as a trusted name in the industry. Whether you are planning a residential or commercial project, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd can provide you with exceptional architectural designs that surpass your expectations. When it comes to architectural design in Bhopal, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is one of the leading firms in the industry. With a team of skilled and experienced architectural designers, they have established themselves as experts in creating innovative and functional designs. Their commitment to excellence and attention to detail sets them apart from other architectural firms in the area. Architectural designers play a crucial role in shaping the built environment. They are responsible for designing and planning spaces that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional and sustainable. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd understands the importance of creating designs that meet the unique needs and preferences of their clients. They work closely with clients to understand their vision and translate it into a reality. One of the key strengths of Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is their ability to combine creativity with practicality. Their architectural designers have a deep understanding of design principles and construction techniques, allowing them to create designs that are not only